चिराग
टुकड़े टुकड़े से बेला जी साइड में बनाई के जी बेला आपने देख रखी है किसी है
छोटू ले छोटू ले छोटू ले चीजी ले 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 ले
घुमा जरा बच्चों 13 तारीख पहला महीना 2021 ये ले
I have both of them. I have the mom and the dad. Initially, I wanted to keep 3 of the puppies, and the 3 I kept to me were 3 of the nicest looking ones. Of course, there was out of the litter there was 11. There was 11 puppies in the litter. 2 died. Man, like I think they all looked real good, but I kept the 3 that I liked the most. The tan one with the gray mask, I ended up giving to a cousin of mine who takes very good care of them. So I'm very happy that I did that. The blue brindle that I kept that looks just like the dad, I ended up giving to another cousin of mine. You know, I kept them dogs in the family, but my decision to let them go was because first of all, I already had the mom and dad. I'm so busy with other projects I got going on. It was hard for me to train and housebreak 3 puppies at one time. For those of you who have raised puppies, you know what I'm talking about, especially if you keep them in a house. Having 3 puppies in a house at once, it's a motherfucker. Anyhow, so I let them 2 go, and I ended up keeping 1, and he's a black brindle. And of the 3 that I initially was keeping, he was the smallest one, but I liked him because I liked his coat. In this video, you're going to see him playing with my new addition to my household, which is a pocket pit. Pocket bully, whatever you want to call her. She's a great-granddaughter or a granddaughter of Derp, the grand champ. But anyhow, I'm getting off topic here. I really just wanted to talk about, give you guys an update of the puppy that I did keep, the black brindle. So, to me, he looks mostly like a cane corso. he's not going to be as big as a Cane Corso. I just let y'all know that right now. He's not going to be as big as the dad. The dad is pretty huge. I don't see him getting that big. He's going to get close to it, I think. And the dad's still growing. Fuck, he's about 15 or 16 months. That's how old the dad is. The boy I kept, he's about 7 months now. He's pretty well behaved. He's I want to say he's the best dog I own as far as all around temperament and being housebroken goes. Now the mom, the pit bull, she's the best well-behaved dog. She's on point. I take her outside without a leash. She goes to her bathroom. She does her thing. She stays in my sight. She comes back to me when I call her. Now the dad, he's a fucking asshole. He's getting better because I've been working with him, so he's getting better at obeying me after I laid the smack down on him a few times. He's not as well. He don't listen as well when I take him outside off the leash. If strangers come around, he'll want to run off up to him, and if I call him, he don't want to listen. The only time he'll really listen to me is when I get mad. When I get mad, that's outside. When we're outside and I get real mad, then he'll fucking lay on the ground and he'll listen. But in the house, he listens good to me. He listens real well to me in my house. But anyhow, back to the boy I kept, and he is the black Brindle that you're seeing in this video. Now I would say he is my best well-behaved dog because not only is he housebroken and he minds his business real well inside the house. Well, when I take him outside, I still got some work with him outside. I still do got some work with him outside. So in that aspect, his mom does do better than him outside. But the reason I say I think he's better is because the mom is annoying. The mom wants attention. She always wants to be by me or by my old lady. She wants to be by us. She wants to sleep with us. And if she don't, she cries and she whines. And it gets annoying. And now this little boy, he likes his kennel. And whenever he does piss me off, he goes right into his kennel on his own. And he's not a whiner. He's quiet. He just chills, and he's housebroken. So, and he's real calm. So that's why I say he's my best one now. So, that's just the update on the one that I did keep. Thank you all for subscribing. If you're just now seeing this video for the first time and you like my content, please hit subscribe, hit the bell so you can get every update. But yeah, thank y'all, man. Y'all have a good one. Peace.